Today I'm unboxing a special edition Seiko Prospex. This is the SRPD21K, which is a part of Seiko's Save the Ocean lineup. This model of Prospex is known as the Turtle due to its case shape and size. The case and bracelet are comprised of stainless steel, pushing the weight of this piece to 195 grams, and the diameter measures in at 45 millimeters. Long story short, this is a pretty hefty watch and certainly won't disappear on the wrist. We've got some lovely details across the face with the wavy blue pattern that resembles the ocean, and if I'm not mistaken, there's even a shark fin appearing just above the 8 o'clock marker. I really enjoy this light blue colorway we see across the whole watch, and the touch of grey on the rotating bezel breaks up that color really well. Like all Prospex watches from Seiko, this piece is 200 meters water resistant and houses the 4R36 movement. With this movement, you're getting 41 hours of power reserve and day and date indicators at the 3 o'clock position. I can see this being a great everyday wear as it has a very casual feel to it. If you like the look of this piece, head on over to watchdepot.com.au and browse our full range of Seiko watches.